and welcome. My name's Tolan and I'm the co-founder of Productivity Me. In this video, we're going to look at how to instantly show the delete dialog box. We'll do this by pressing the Control key and the minus key, as well as examine a couple of alternate methods to achieve the same result. So if that's interesting to you, make sure to join us for this video and let's get started. In our last video, we made quite a mess of a once somewhat interesting spreadsheet where we have a product that we're trying to sell. We have the quantity sold, the price, the revenue, and at some point we had costs and profits. So if we want to bring up the delete dialog box, we can achieve this by pressing the Control key and the minus key. Pressing the Control key and the minus key would bring up this delete dialog box. We're going to select to move our cell or cells to the left, hit OK, and now we again have cells that have the correct amount of profit and the correct label for costs. So if we wanted to come here, we could say delete this column. We'll press the Control key and the minus key, scroll down, delete the column, or if here we wanted to delete the row, we could say press the Ctrl Shift, Ctrl Shift plus would actually add a column. So now that we've added a column, or rather add a row, let's go ahead and delete that row by pressing Control minus and selecting row. We'll do that a second time by pressing Control minus and deleting that entire row. So in our next video, we'll look at how to clean up these columns. But if we wanted to actually delete an individual item, we could come here and we could click here, either delete cells or delete rows or delete columns or delete sheets. So we could say we want to delete some sheets, move them to the left, and you'll notice all of these cells move to the left. Again, if we wanted to do this, we could hit Alt, Home, D for delete, and then I believe it's D for cells. So we press D, and we could say that we want to delete the entire column or the number of cells. Again, in this video, we looked at 4 methods. We looked at pressing Control minus to bring up this delete dialog box, then select the item we want. We can come here and we can press the delete key. Then we can go to cells, go to column. We can press Alt, Home, D, and then D, or column. And then lastly, we might be able to delete cells by clicking here and then going to delete. And once we have made our selection, we would hit OK, and it would do that. So in our next video, we'll look at specifically how to delete rows within the Excel worksheet. So check that out in our next video, where we'll describe another use for the keyboard shortcut Control -. All right, we'll see you again soon, and thanks for watching.